I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where tiny Korean words make your day feel doable.
안녕하세요. 하나예요. 오늘도 쉽고 자연스럽게 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Four everyday care words, one clear routine.
Here's my problem. If I wash my face at the sink, can I say, 샤워해요? It feels like washing, right?
좋은 질문이에요. 세수해요 is for washing your face, usually at the sink. 샤워해요 is for washing your body under a shower.
And 양치해요 is brushing your teeth. 목욕해요 is taking a bath or a bath like full body wash.
오늘의 패턴은 noun plus 해요예요. In English, think, do brushing teeth, do face washing, do a shower, do a bath. In natural English, we say brush, wash, shower, bathe.
So I can learn the noun, then add 해요 for the routine action, like 양치 plus 해요.
Exactly. 양치해요 means I brush my teeth or someone brushes teeth, depending on context.
조금 더 구체적으로 말하면 이를 닦아요 also means I brush my teeth. 이 means teeth and 닦아요 means wipe, clean, or brush.
Let me try the everyday one first. 양치해요.
좋아요. 양치 has 양, then 치. Do not add an extra English style vowel after 치. 양치해요.
Next, 세수해요. 세수 is washing your face, especially at the sink. Not a full shower.
세수해요. That's not my hands, not my whole body, just my face.
맞아요. If it is hands, Korean usually says 손을 씻어요. 세수해요 is face washing.
Now 샤워해요. This is showering, usually standing under running water.
샤워해요. This one sounds close to shower, so I have to remember it still takes 해요.
Good. The Korean spelling is shower and the verb is 샤워해요. One smooth phrase.
Last, 목욕해요. This often means taking a bath. It can also mean a full body wash, especially with a bath feeling.
목욕해요. So if there's a tub or a bath-like full wash, this is my word.
네. 샤워해요 and 목욕해요 can both be full body washing, but shower is shower, 목욕 is bath or bathing.
이제 묶어서 말해볼게요. 아침에 양치하고 세수해요. In the morning, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Wait, 양치하고 means 양치하다 plus 고, right? It connects actions, brush teeth and wash face.
맞아요. 여기서 양치하고는 양치하다 plus 고예요. It connects actions, not a noun listing particle.
For beginners, remember it as one useful routine chunk. 양치하고 세수해요. You may also hear the fuller form. 양치를 하고 세수를 해요.
Let's hear a short routine dialogue. Listen for the four action words.
아침에 뭐 해요?
저는 양치하고 세수해요.
저녁에는 샤워해요?
네, 샤워해요. 가끔 목욕해요.
I caught. 저는 양치하고 세수해요. That's the clear routine chunk.
좋아요. 저는 marks the topic, I. But in daily conversation, Koreans often drop it when the subject is clear.
So, 양치해요 can mean I brush my teeth, you brush your teeth, or someone brushes teeth. Context tells us who.
Repeat after me. 양치해요.
양치해요.
Good. Now 세수해요.
세수해요.
완벽해요. Now connect them. 양치하고 세수해요.
양치하고 세수해요.
Nice. Now 샤워해요.
샤워해요.
좋아요. Now 목욕해요.
목욕해요.
Common mistake. time. If you only wash your face at the sink, don't say 샤워해요. Say 세수해요.
So, after I splash water on my face, I should not proudly announce, 샤워해요.
맞아요. 얼굴만 씻으면 세수해요. In English, if you wash only your face, say 세수해요.
Another boundary. If you wash your whole body under a shower, 샤워해요 is most natural. If you take a bath, 목욕해요 is natural.
퀴즈예요. A learner washed only their face at the sink, then said 샤워해요. Which correction is most natural?
I choose A, 세수해요, because it's face washing, not hands, and not a bath.
정답입니다. 세수해요 is the natural correction for washing only your face at the sink.
One more quick check. You rinsed your face at the sink in the morning. Later, you washed your whole body under the shower. Which two sentences fit best?
A. 세수해요. Then 샤워해요.
First face, later shower.
맞아요. If the second action were a bath in a tub, then 목욕해요 could fit. Here, under the shower means 샤워해요.
정리해볼게요. 양치해요는 이를 닦는 거예요. In English, 양치해요 means I brush my teeth or brush teeth in context.
세수해요는 얼굴을 씻는 말이에요. In English, 세수해요 is wash your face, usually at the sink. It is not showering.
샤워해요는 샤워기로 몸을 씻는 거예요. In English, 샤워해요 means I shower or take a shower.
목욕해요는 목욕이나 bath-like washing이에요. And 양치하고 is 양치하다 plus 고, connecting actions. Brush teeth and wash face.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 아침에 양치하고 세수해요.
아침에 양치하고 세수해요. I can actually say a real morning routine now.
잘했어요. Next time we climb from daily care into simple body health sentences. 코리안 라더였습니다.